everybody, it's your boy Josh here back with another video. And today, we are going in Hurricane Lee. It's going to make landfall in an hour. So, I'm going to wait for the hurricane to come right in because it's already getting windy. I am ready to go. Let's go!
His name is John C.
6 p.m. Strongest winds, my guess, will be late morning, perhaps early afternoon for areas east central Maine and mid coast Maine. Winds frequent gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. There will be some peak gusts over 50 miles per hour. That should be enough for power outages. I think we'll see a bunch of those tomorrow. And waves, we're already seeing them rise. We'll see them actually continue to rise into the day tomorrow. 10 to 20 feet out in the Gulf of Maine. We'll talk more about that coming up in about a half hour here. But let's focus in on the wind part first. There's the center of the storm. It's 50 in a few spots here.
Shit!
Especially in areas that have northerly exposure, like a big flaw effect where you get that northerly wind to crank up. The south side of Sebago Lake is...
Here we go, guys. Here's Hurricane Lee. Hurricane Lee is here, guys. I can't not fucking believe this. The rain is really light, but look at the wind. Not even bad. Not even that bad. It's raining and it's windy. This is the part where I was getting into. Let's go. Damn. 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 Holy shit. Ah! Woo! It's raining. Yep. It's raining. And it's windy. Hurricane Lee is here, baby. Let's go. Oh my God. Guys. This is only the beginning. This is only the beginning of this storm. This is only the beginning. Oh shit. Had to go grab my raincoat because it's raining. And as you can tell, but it's not raining as hard. But it was downpouring though for a little bit. That's why I ran over there inside and got my raincoat. Guys, Hurricane Lee is in the area. He's in our state. He's in my state. Oh God. Look at the trees, bro. Picking up. Oh God. Damn! Damn! Shit! Fuck! Damn! Damn! Shit. Shit. Okay, so I'm going up the hill. The wind is still blowing. It's still raining a little bit. I'm gonna get a good freaking glimpse of the hard wind from up here. Oh shit. Shit. Oh man. Damn, oh God. Damn. Holy shit. Holy shit. There's leaves flying everywhere. Yo! Woo! Let's go! Yo! This is crazy! Whoa! Holy crap! Holy crap! Still raining a little bit. Freaking knocked off my freaking hood. Oh my God. Oh, here it goes again. Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Yo. It's like the best spot for freaking hurricanes. Oh my God. Guys, like this video, subscribe, because I'll be doing another video of another hurricane pretty soon. Oh damn! Shit! Damn hurricane messed up my hair. Fucking hurricane. Uh-oh. Picking up again. Oh no. Yo. That is crazy. Holy shit! Here we go! Ah! Yo! Holy shit! Oh, the fucking leaves are coming like to me! Yo! It's raining now. Damn. Here we go. This is the moment we've been trying to wait for. This is Hurricane Lee! Oh my God! Here we go! Shit! Oh my God! Holy shit! Damn! Damn! Leah's still doing this shit! Oh God, here it comes again. No! This is our moment! Now Lee is picking up the heat! Let's go! The wind's about to pick up again. More rain, more wind. What's going to happen, guys? It takes a small break and then it fucking goes right back in square one. That's what they do. They take a little break, like the wind calms down, and then once in a while it freaking does the same thing over and over. But yeah. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. I hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Comment down below. I'll be posting more videos. But when the other hurricane comes to our land, I'll be filming that one. Yep, I will.